Welcome to the future, where innovation meets imagination. Today, we're diving into the most groundbreaking artificial tools set to revolutionize our world. Get ready for next-level AI. Technology that once seemed like science fiction is about to change everything. Imagine a world where hospital lines vanish, creativity knows no limits, and the environment is healed by AI. That's the future we're exploring. Let's jump in. Let's kick things off with healthcare, an area ripe for disruption. Imagine a personal doctor available 24/7, monitoring your health and catching issues before they start. That's the promise of Smart Health Companion. Advanced sensors track your heart rate, sleep, blood sugar, and stress. Powerful AI analyzes your data, detecting anomalies and giving you early warnings. No more generic advice. Get personalized health plans, nutrition, and exercise routines, all tailored to you. And forget endless hospital lines. Virtual consultations bring doctors to your home. This is proactive, personalized healthcare, powered by AI. Next, let's unlock your creativity with Auto Create, an AI that unleashes your inner Da Vinci. Ever had a great idea but lacked the skills to bring it to life? Auto Create breaks down those barriers. Feed it your ideas or sketches, and it transforms them into stunning visuals, stories, or even music. Need a logo? Describe your vision, and Auto Create generates dozens of professional options in seconds. It can animate movies, compose music, and write creative content, all tailored to your instructions. No experience needed, just imagination. Auto Create handles the technical side so you can focus on your ideas. If you can dream it, Auto Create can help you create it. Now let's talk about the future of our planet. With climate change and pollution threatening us, EcoGuard steps in as an AI-powered guardian. Imagine a global network of sensors monitoring air, water, forests, and reefs in real time. EcoGuard analyzes this data, pinpoints pollution, predicts disasters, and suggests targeted solutions. But it doesn't stop there. AI-powered drones plant trees, clean oceans, and fight pollution. EcoGuard can coordinate global restoration projects, reversing desertification and restoring ecosystems. This is a shift from reactive to proactive environmentalism. AI and robotics working together to heal and protect our planet. The future of environmentalism is here, technology and nature hand in hand. Finally, let's talk about MindLink, a revolution in human-computer interaction. Imagine controlling devices with your thoughts and communicating beyond language barriers. MindLink is a non-invasive brain-computer interface that reads your brainwaves and translates intentions into actions. Control your smart home, play music, or adjust the thermostat just by thinking. For people with disabilities, MindLink means controlling prosthetics or wheelchairs with their minds. And imagine direct mind-to-mind communication, sharing ideas and emotions instantly. This is the next frontier, seamless, intuitive interaction with technology. MindLink breaks down barriers, empowering everyone to connect and create. The future of communication is here. Are you ready? From healthcare to creativity, from healing our planet to connecting minds, these AI tools offer a glimpse into a future full of possibilities. Technology is here to empower us, helping us live healthier, more creative, and more sustainable lives. The future is about partnership between humans and technology. Which AI tool excites you most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of future tech. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.